Hello everyone, I am so excited to share this with you. I placed an order at one of my favorite brands, Summer Fridays, and I have the package right here. So I ordered their new glowing oil, and I know that I got a free yellow bucket hat, which is why I'm in a yellow swimsuit. So let's open this up and see what we got inside. Let's open it. So exciting. The cutest yellow bucket hat. Here it is, the Pool Time Glowing Body Oil. And it looks like I got a free sample. It is the Cloud Dew. I actually haven't tried this one out yet, so I will be sure to use the sample. All right, let's put it on. Here it is, and yes, I put the bucket hat on already, so I apologize if there's a shadow on my face, but it's just too cute for me not to wear while I'm applying this. So here it is, Summer Fridays Pool Time Glowing Oil. It does say massage into skin wherever extra nourishing moisture and a subtle glow are desired. Tip, apply to still damp skin after the beach or bath to seal in hydration. Let's do it. So we're gonna shake it up a little bit. It has so much shimmer in it, you can already see. And it smells amazing. I'm just gonna pop this off the top. I am gonna keep this though to put it back in when I'm done using it. Let's see. Okay, so I put on just a couple drops there first so you can see it there. Oh, it's so shimmery. You can see how it applied a sheen. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So there's just a light sheen where I put it on. You can see the glitter in it. It's not overwhelming though, or too much. It looks like just nice and shimmery. I cannot wait to use this when I'm at the beach. I'm so excited. It smells so good. I'm gonna be wearing my bucket hat all summer long. Thank you, Summer Fridays. And I'm so excited to try this out and keep using it during the summer.